exactly 45 degrees. Well, we need to get a front shot.
This is the bird feeder installation 101. What kind of ground are we working with here?
I don't know. I think it's hard. That's okay.
Well, it has a point on there. I don't think you're wearing the right shoes for this operation.
Okay. Here, give me the bird feeder now.
See the spectators inside. Can you see them?
Here, down. Here, I have to do it like this. There you go. Ready? Okay?
Yeah, make sure there's a little bit out there to tempt them. Yeah.
Okay?
Okay, good.
Yeah.
So what do you think, Mom?
Looks great. Thanks, Dad.
Oh, I thought it was going to be way high up there.
I know. And this is the tallest one I could get.
Oh, well, I mean, that would be very tall.
Yeah.
So.
What do you think, Grandma?
I like it.
Oh, good.